Okay, I'm out here at the cabin. I have a bad tick problem out here. It's just woods. And every time we came out here before we started using tick repellent or Sawyers, something like that, we would get anywhere from, the most I got was 18 ticks off me one day. So, cabin's been delivered, was delivered yesterday, and so, here's the cabin. I'm sitting on the porch, by the way, and I feel a tick on me. And I brought this Sevin, show you here. Sevin ready to use garden tech, kills Japanese beetles. Not worried about Japanese beetles. I want to kill ticks and spiders and stuff like that. So anyway, I stopped by, got some of this. I already got a tick on me. Let's see. Yeah, there he is. Looks like a little Lone Star tick. Let's give him a little shot of that. Oh. This is crawling in. There he goes. Can't get through that. Can he? Can he? See what happens here. Oh, let me get him in focus here. There you go. He's trying to climb over it. Now, I have done already, don't go off. You gotta stay in camera. I've done sprayed. I've seen a one carpenter ant come up on the porch. I hit him with just a little bitty burst, and I thought it was going to kill him instantly. And then another little ant. Come on, no. You got to stay up right here. I want to see what this does to you. Well, he's not wanting off me now. And he's like a puppy dog. Get off me, Jude. He's not wanting to let go. If I want gotta go, let me go. We'll do it. Nope. Okay. You can't. There you go. You gotta stay up here. Well, you know that this ant is tougher. I mean, this tick is tougher than the ants were, because when I hit a little ant. And it killed him almost instantly. And but this tick is now, to Sevin's credit, the bottle does just say brown dog ticks. I injured him just a little bit, I believe, but that's his Lone Star tick right here. Notice a little white spot on his back. He's having little difficulties with it, so I think I'm going to say that this works. Let me bring you back here. And oh, is he moving some more? Yeah. Let me bring you back here in a couple minutes, see how he's done. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. As you can see, he's made it from here to over here. Yeah. He's having a really hard time of it. So I'm going to say, at least for now, that this works on ticks. He just crossed some more of it. He's really wanting off. Yeah, I think stuff's pretty much done in the end. But like I said, he's a little tougher than those ants were. And I sprayed a mahogany wasp earlier, and he was flying along in front of the porch here, and I sprayed him, and he crash dived into the leaves and fought it for a little while, and kind of he flew off, but he wasn't too healthy. So this stuff really seems to work as of now. I think our tick is done for. I'll probably find another one on me before the day's out. I've got more brush to clear. Actually, I got to go over here, and there's some humps where I want to make my parking lot for my parking area for my pickup. I've got to take a Maddox and knock those heels down, kind of spread out. So I'm sure I'll get a few more ticks off me for today. But I already sprayed that area out here, kind of, walking in, I kind of sprayed it. I expected to get some ticks off me, but then I went around the house twice and sprayed under the cabin. It's not underpinned yet. Bring you back to the tick. He's trying a couple more times. Oh, he's going right through that. Well, he seems to get little short bursts of energy. He avoided that one, that little drop. He's like a drunk sailor right now. He doesn't know where he's going. He certainly doesn't like that little drop right there. I hope it's just focusing. It's definitely slowed him down, made him slow-mo. Okay, he's done for. I'm going to put him out of his misery, and then, so yeah, I like this Sevin. First time I use it, I'm not a real big fan of just throwing insecticide all over the place, but since we have so many ticks out here, I'd get some control of them. And I didn't put it all over the area. You can see I brought some of my buckets and stuff from storage and stuff. I'm trying to get rid of my storage. I'm gonna have to build me a storage building out here. But anyway, I just put it basically about a 3-4 foot perimeter around the house, around the cabin and under the cabin. Hello, Mr. Tick. Are you done for? I hope that's getting you in focus. Okay, tick number 2. I don't know if you can tell or not. Oh. But that is a seed tick. And that's what prompted me to get this. I was out here yesterday, and even though I sprayed my boots and pants from below the knees to my boots with Sawyers, somehow I ended up with 11 seed ticks on me yesterday, or 12, something like, quite a few. And they got under my pants, and they were on my lower part of my leg. So anyway, I don't know if I flipped this little dude over. Right there. I don't know if I flipped him over when I put him down or what, but he was... I don't know if it's good. It doesn't look like it's zooming in good. There he goes. But he doesn't look like he's done very well either. Now, he may have been on me, on my pants yesterday, and been in that Sawyers. Sawyers contains permethrin, and that's some pretty good stuff for getting rid of ticks. So this guy's a non-issue. He's either already sick, or when I picked him up, he's dead. So let's wait and see if I get another one. Okay, tick number 3. There he is. I don't know which way he landed. Oh, there he goes. That little, looks like, yep, a little Lone Star tick. Oh, he just waded right through that stuff like it was good. He says, that's so good, I'm going to go back for some more. Oh, there he goes. It's been about 30 seconds now since he started. Uh-oh, you got down here. Up, back up on top. He's not feeling his best. I think he just texted hashtag worst day ever. Oh, he's gonna go back to it. And we're about a minute and a half now. He's not doing real good. getting that second wind. No, he's doing the ninja thing where he's getting up on all the legs. Whoa! Hey, folks, I think that's it. What is it, a minute? Almost 2 minutes. He's done for. Come on, ref, count them out. 1, 2, 3. Nope, there ain't no coming back from that. Nope, there he's got a little bit of life. He must have kicked out on like 2.5. Yeah, he's done for. Wow, it's good stuff so far. Now, if I continue to get ticks on me after today, then I'm going to be a little sore. But at least when this stuff comes in contact with them, oh, there you go. Well, the wind helped him there. Oh yeah, he's up on his legs on one side. He's having a tough time. He is having a tough time. I don't know if this is zooming in or if you're getting this or not. He's fixing to go over the edge. It got a little breeze here, kind of pushed him, but you can tell that this is not his best day. There he goes. I'm gonna let him go because he's dead and he doesn't even know it. So at least when they come in contact with this Sevin, oh, here he comes. He's like, huh, me, dead? Not yet, but I'm getting there. So, yeah. Okay. Well, hopefully I don't get no more off me, but if I do, we'll bring them back to this little puddle and let them get a sip of that good old Sevin. Okay, I lost tick count, but the pool of Sevin was right here. And this is some seed ticks. There's one there and one right there. So, and this Sevin has already soaked into the wood. This little guy, he's, I don't know, he got real slow. This little guy went through where the pool was pretty fast, and now all of a sudden he's, see, these are really small ticks. I don't know whether it was this tick like 4 and number 5. Like I said earlier, this is where the pool was. There's another pool right here, but it seemed to have, this is trying to make his getaway. So even after it soaks in, I guess it does kill them. Because that is just about done for. And this one over here appears to be done for. And that's been what, like a minute since both of them went through where it was. It was right there. So it's cool. I got some more seed ticks on me. Let me see if I can get them off. So anyway, hey, if you get a chance, grab you some of the Sevin if you've got bug problems. Now this is a pump, you know, the one you can go from a spray like that, and I've turned it off. That's a pretty neat thing about this, and I've used quite a bit, and I still have a half a gallon left. When you buy it, it will come with a spray wand. It's all the cord's all up into the head, and it's attached right here. You'll take it off. You see this cap here. It'll tell you to pull this up, flip it open, and there's a place that this receptor will go into. And make sure, I only pull it out halfway, or a little bit more than half, and I could not get the insecticide to come out. I had to pull it all the way out until it sprayed. Now, another neat thing about this cap is you can turn it this way to turn off, or you turn it other way to turn on, and it will tell you off or closed, I mean, and open. So that's pretty nifty. Anyway, tick update. He ain't made it far. He's pretty much done for. Good to see. So, and it's like I said, one's a stream. Oh, that's a spray. The other side's, and the other, hold on, let me, watch the tick while I change. And the other's a stream. Hey, it's pretty basic. I forgot how much that was. I'll have a link down in the description to Amazon for it. But yeah, I kind of liked it. Now I'll try and remember give you, it says, I think this says up to 3 months. This is all that it's supposed to do for you. For outdoor residential use only, exactly what I wanted. I went in, there was a lot of interior stuff, but I didn't want interior. Someplace on here, I thought I read that it was good for up to 3 months. Tick update, he's really fighting it. I think that might be his final. So it's been, what, 5 minutes or so since I sprayed them. I swore I seen someplace. I'll have it down in the description. I've seen it someplace. Maybe it was on another product I was looking at. But, so I don't know exactly how long this stuff is good for. But I just want to initially knock the ticks down in this area. So, anyway, hey. Grab you some of this Sevin ready to use sprayer for if you if you got insects. It says you can put it on your garden and stuff. I wouldn't, but hey, that's me. So if you want to, go ahead. So anyway, y'all, thank you for watching. Check the links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Donald, I'm out.